Each material has embedded parameters such as density, elasticity, thermal conductivity, and textile strength, ensuring your simulated models behave realistically during fabrication analysis or motion simulation. If you don't want to define materials manually, KelmoidAI automatically assigns a default based on your model type. For instance, a pipe model will default to stainless steel, while a decorative object might use a polymer. You can also preview how materials affect texture and light reflection using the material preview window, perfect for visual artists and renderers who want photorealistic outputs. Once done, properties are saved automatically and your material setup is saved automatically. Moving forward, let's explore something futuristic, the 4D or animation parameter section. This is where your models come alive. Here you can define motion sequences, rational axes, and animation timelines that show how your designs move, expand, or operate under specific conditions. This feature helps detect mechanical flaws early, ensuring your design's moving parts fit and operate smoothly before actual fabrication. You can control playback speed, duration, and loop type, perfect for animation artists, mechanical designers, or creators who want to produce 4D model demonstrations. Once you are satisfied with your animation setup, you can click preview motion or render sequence to export it as a short video or animation 3D model for presentations. Next is one of the most powerful tools inside KelmoidAI Genesis, the CFD and simulation parameter sections. The CFD and simulation parameter section. CFD stands for computational fluid dynamics. It allows you to simulate how your model interacts with air, water, or other physical forces. This is vital for engineers designing pipes, engines, turbines, aerodynamic parts, or even small drones, as it predicts pressure flow, rates, and drag behaviors before manufacturing. You can set simulation inputs like airspeed, temperature, pressure, define fuel types such as air, water, or oil, and specify mesh resolution for accurate results. KelmoidAI uses lightweight simulation AI models, meaning you can get near real CFD previews without waiting hours for full renders. The result appears visually as color gradients showing space flow. You can export this simulation database for detailed analysis in software like ANSYS, Fluent, or SolidWorks flow simulation, giving engineers a seamless workflow between AI and traditional CAD simulation environments. Before exporting, it's crucial to configure your default unit system and aspect ratio settings. KelmoidAI supports both metric, that is millimeters, and imperial, that is inches system, ensuring compatibility with fabrication standards in different regions. Under unit system, you can set model measurements tolerance, and rounding preferences. These settings affect not just visuals, but also physical scaling during print or machining. Next is the aspect ratio setting, determining your model's visualization perspective. Choose from presets like 1:1 square, ideal for previews or thumbnails, 4:3 landscape for presentation views, 3:4 portrait for vertical components layout, 16:9 widescreen, perfect for YouTube videos or slides, 9:16 tall for mobile or TikTok reels. These aspect ratios are especially handy for creators showcasing model previews or explaining designs on digital platforms. On set, preferences are saved automatically to ensure your next export follows these configurations automatically. Finally, let's complete the process. Exporting your model. KelmoidAI supports multiple professional export formats, so your designs can be used across CAD, simulation, or manufacturing software. Here are the main formats available. These are the main formats available. The OpenSCAD for parametric and script-based design edits, the SCAPE, the Universal CAD standard for mechanical design, Extend, STL, most common for 3D printing, OBJ for 3D visualization and rendering software, CFD for exporting simulation data files. Simply select your desired format from the drop-down, click Generate CAD Model, and the AI instantly compiles all your settings, materials, motion, and simulation into the ready-to-use 3D file. You can preview the final model in 3D before downloading. Use your mouse to rotate, zoom, and inspect every angle of precision. Once you are satisfied, click Download Model. Within seconds, your AI-generated design is ready for printing, simulation, or reward prototyping. And that's how you use KelmoidAI Genesis from imagination to CAD, entirely powered by artificial intelligence. Let's recap what we have achieved today.